Come on. As much as I like how clean this looks, I need to add a bypass valve into the heater hoses because I have Vortec heads on here and they need to have a loop in here so that the coolant can travel either through the heater core and back or just bypass through this valve so that we can maintain movement of fluid. So I'm going to keep this closer to the heater core. I think we're going to go ahead and stick it somewhere in here. These little tubing cutter tools, they sell at Home Depot for cutting PEX pipe. Work beautifully for this. Take that outside and wash it up. There we go. Go ahead and just add a zip tie to this just to keep it nice and clean. Cool temperatures, runs through the heater core. Middle of summer, don't want any heat. Turns it off, but also creates a bypass to run coolant through the heads and back to the water pump. Thanks so much for watching. Hope that you enjoyed it. If you want to see some other videos that I made, you can go ahead and click here or here. Have a good one. See you next time. Bye.